So the bike pedals seem really well made and they look really nice. And they even come with some spare, I don't know what you call these things, but things that go on to make sure your foot adheres to them. So really like them, really excited to put them on my bike, but here's the problem I found. It came with a hex key, which is good because I don't have, where I'm at the moment, I don't have another hex key that's equivalent to this, but it doesn't really fit inside the spindle here. If I force it, I can get some leverage, but I would have thought this was supposed to go in a bit more, but doesn't seem to be. Isn't that the point? I'm not an expert biker or anything, so I looked to contact the seller, but I can't actually see a way of contacting the seller. So I'm going to post this, and if you still see it, it means I haven't been able to contact the seller, and these are going to be returned, sadly.